Salut et bienvenue encore à notre classe française. Aujourd'hui, nous allons continuer avec notre lecture simple. La fois passée, nous avons commencé avec la lecture simple. Donc aujourd'hui, nous allons continuer avec notre lecture simple. So today we are going to continue with our simple text. So today's one will be simple text 2. And what are we going to talk about? We are going to talk about au marché. Au marché, that is at the market. So just like we did previously, I'm going to take the text all over again. I'm going to read it, and as I'm reading it, you ensure to listen to it attentively. Madame Dubois voudrait acheter des mangues et elle voudrait savoir combien ça coûte. 3 pour 15 € est trop cher pour elle. Elle prend 6 pour 25 €. Ces mangues sont pour ses enfants. Elle en a 4, 2 garçons et 2 filles. Madame Dubois n'aime pas dépenser de l'argent. Elle est avare. So now we are going to look at our text and pay attention to each word. We will know what it means, what each of the words mean. And just like I said for the previous text, why are we learning this is to know how to price at the market, especially for this text. When you get to the market, how do you price? And also to help your pronunciation. So, Madame Dubois. In our previous lecture simple, we saw Monsieur. Bonjour, Monsieur, if you could remember. So, Monsieur is for ça. Madame is for Madame, just like in English. So, Madame Dubois, this is the person's name, Dubois. Madame Dubois voudrait acheter des mangues. Let's stop there. Voudrait acheter des mangues. Here we have our verb. Voudrait acheter des mangues. This voudrait is to express a wish. Okay, when you want to express a wish, you use voudrait, but it has to follow another verb, and the verb always is in the infinitive form. And here we have acheter. Acheter. Now, voudrait acheter, which means would like to buy. Acheter is to buy. Acheter. So, voudrait acheter, would like to buy. Madame Dubois voudrait acheter des mangues. Des mangues. Mangue, which is mango in English. Des. Okay, here we have mangue in our plural form. So we use this article, des, which is le, which is there, of course, the plural article for mangue. Mangue is a feminine word. It's supposed to be la mangue or une mangue. And this is article indéfini when we're learning our articles. So this is article indéfini, des mangues in the plural form. Et elle voudrait savoir, so our word is coming back here again, voudrait, okay, to express a wish, would like to know, would like to do something. The first one is would like to buy. The next one is would like to know. She would like to know. So we said whenever this is used, whenever this verb is used, the next verb that follows is in the infinitive form. So savoir is to know. To know. Okay. Madame Dubois voudrait acheter des mangues et elle voudrait savoir combien ça coûte. Combien ça coûte. This is our verb. It's the verb coûter. Coûter. Okay, combien is how. So all of this is how much. How much is it? So she would like to know how much it is. Okay, this is the cost, like cost in English. So how much it costs. 3 pour 15 €, that's 3. Pour is 4. 3, which is 3. When we're learning our cardinal number 1, 2, and 3. So this is number 3. 3 pour 15. 15, 15 euros. This is euro. Est trop cher. Now, this is our verb here. That is être. Le verbe être. That was conjugated. So, 15 euros est trop cher. Too expensive. Trop means too. Expensive is cher. Expensive. So, 15 euros est trop cher pour elle. Elle, which refers to third person singular, feminine form. We have il or elle. So, this is elle, referring to Madame Dubois. Pour means for. I think we saw it. Pour, yeah. So, 3 pour 15 euros est trop cher pour elle. 3 for 15 euros is too expensive for her. Elle prend 6 pour 25 euros. Now, let's look at this. First, we've seen this as elle, okay? Third person singular, feminine form. And then we have the verb prendre. 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 That's the verb, that's third group. Verb of third group. Okay, to prendre, which means to take. 6 pour 25 euros. 6, just like it's written on the board. 6 in English. So 6 pour, what's pour? 4. Good. So 6 pour 25 euros. 25 euros. C'est mangue. C'est mangue. These mangoes. Okay, these mangoes. We've seen what mango is here. Mango. Okay, so these mangoes, le verb sont. This is our verb here, and it's also the verb être. Être. Okay. Le verb être here is at the third person plural. So we use sont. Here is third person singular. Elle. Ces mangues sont pour which is for. Sont pour ses enfants. Now, this is has. Different from these. Okay, this is her own children. So you use ses enfants. Possessive pronoun. Enfant. Okay, enfant, which is children. Children. Has. Okay. Enfant, children, her own personal children. Elle en a 4, 2 garçons et 2 filles. She has 4. Okay, she has 4. So she has 4. This is she, elle, third person singular, feminine, then she has a, which is verb avoir. Verb avoir at the third person singular. Avoir, le verbe avoir. Okay, so she has 4 of them. Okay, 2 garçons, that's 2 boys. Garçon is boys. 2 garçons and 2 filles. Filles, girls. Okay, 2 filles. So because of the 2, the fille we carry an S. Here too, because of the boy or the garçon we carry an S. So our last, or before our last sentence, we have Madame Dubois. Madame Dubois n'aime pas dépenser. Now let's look at this. This verb is in a negative form. Why? Because of n-pas. Okay, whenever you see n, then in the middle we have a verb, then is in a negative form. So we have n, then the verb. You can put any verb here. For example, a verb, more specifically a verb which starts with a vowel, okay? So is N apostrophe then M. Or you can also have, use this for verb that starts with a vowel. You can also have ne dash dash pas. And here you can use verb as manger, other verbs, right? Other verbs that do not start with a vowel. But here you put verbs with vowel that begins with a vowel. So just like here we have n'aime pas. This is our verb which means to love or like. Love or like. N'aime pas, dépenser. Then the next verb that will also follow, we have to be in the infinitive form. So, Madame Dubois n'aime pas dépenser de l'argent. Dépenser, which means to spend. Okay, she does not like or she does not love to spend de l'argent. L'argent means money. This is more like off. Okay, but she does not like spending money. That's it in English. Let me remove it. Okay, but in French you have to add de, then add your noun. Elle est avare. Elle est avare. This word means she is stingy or stingy. Stingy. She is stingy. Elle for third person singular. Then we have the verb être, okay, third person singular too, être. Then we have avare, stingy. Okay, oh sorry, stingy. Okay, so she is stingy. So here we have our text for today. So let's take it. You can repeat now after me. Madame Dubois voudrait acheter des mangues. Et elle voudrait savoir combien ça coûte. 3 pour 15 € est trop cher pour elle. Elle prend 6 pour 25 €. Ces mangues sont pour ses enfants. Elle en a 4. 2 garçons et 2 filles. Madame Dubois n'aime pas dépenser de l'argent. Elle est avare. Okay, so here we are at the end of our simple text. Nous voilà à la fin de notre lecture simple pour aujourd'hui et on se voit à la classe prochaine. Merci.